How to create a picture-in-picture effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a picture-in-picture effect in CapCut. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for CapCut and look for updates. If you see an update option available, click on it to update your app. If not, open CapCut on your device. Now in CapCut, import the video that you would like to edit. Click on New Project or select from your existing projects. Once you select the video, you will land to this kind of editing page. In this page, at the bottom, select Overlay. Click on Add Overlay and select the photo or video with which you would like to create the picture-in-picture effect. Once the overlay is added, then adjust its size. Select the overlay from the timeline and at the bottom you will see various options. After selecting the overlay from the bottom panel, swipe and tap on the option Mask. You will see the mask icon right here. Select it and select the mask that you prefer. Right now I'm just gonna select this circle icon. You can also increase the size of your mask. If you don't want sharp edges, then you can feather them out by tapping on this icon. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.